あらわす used when talking about books, papers, and written works. Common in contexts about writers and researchers. 著す本や論文、作品の話でよく出る言葉だよ。It is used as a transitive verb. In simple terms, あらわす means to write a work such as a book and put it out publicly, combining both writing and publishing. 本や論文を作って世に出すことを表すよ。書くと大金出すが合わさった感じだね。The single kanji means notable and also relates to writing. It appears in words about authors and works like chosha and chosho. Its common on reading is cho, and the kun reading used here is arawa. Think of it as a formal, bookish flavor. He wrote a novel. 彼は小説を著した。彼は小説を著した。I will write a travelogue next year. 私は来年旅行記を表します。私は来年旅行記を表します。The professor is writing a new paper. その教授は新しい論文を表している。その教授は新しい論文を表している。I wrote a children's book with a friend. 友人と一緒に児童書を表した。友人と一緒に児童書を表した。The most common synonyms of the word are 執筆する and 出版する。執筆する focuses on the act of writing, while 出版する highlights releasing it. 表す can cover both in a formal tone. The most common antonym of the word is 未発表, which means the work has not been made public, while 表す is about creating it and putting it out.